Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry. We had some technical issues there. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened over there. But we're live again. That's the best news. So, talking with zkCRO. We're back in it. I missed apparently a lot of chat as well, so I'm so sorry. Let me double check if right now we have a chat working. Do we have a chat working? I'm so sorry. If you have any chats, guys, that I definitely need to answer, please ask me again. That's really unprofessional. But you know, it's streaming software and we're doing it live, so I can't promise to be perfect. I can't promise to be perfect. There we go. Night Gaming. How is Italy? How is Italy? Varies, welcome as well. There we go. Just a quick, guys, a quick shout out to Mr. Varies. I think you missed it, but it doesn't work anymore even. Anyways, there we go. That one over there. Still big shout out to Mr. Varies for strapping in. Welcome to the member club, man. So the question by VA Freak over here, zkCRO or Arena, if you got 100k CRO spare? Ooh, good question. Good question. If you want to be in zkCRO, you got to be quick. You got to be quick. But my no, it worked. Yes. Finally something that worked today. The question though, if you should put it on zkCRO, depends, I think. What do you want to do with DeFi, V8 Freak? What do you want to do with DeFi? If you want to also stake it on DeFi, that's a possibility. They might earn quite a nice APR. It's unknown yet what they will be on chain because zkEVM has not launched yet. But that could be a nice option. If you don't want to do DeFi, and I do recommend checking it out just to learn. But if you don't want to do DeFi, I think the best money can be made on the airdrop arena. Also, guys, Knight is went on holiday, or he might be back already, or he's still on holiday. And he ordered one of the Visa cards. And he just got it before he went on holiday. So yeah, he's really lucky with his rebates and stuff. I mean, buying pizza in Italy and getting rebate, that's the best feeling, man. So good to see him there though. He also got a nice request for the channel to make a video about the Rewards Plus program. So we'll definitely check that out. We'll definitely check that out as well. Probably next week. So Night Gaming, it is beautiful. I got a lucky client to boost my Rewards Plus. I will check out the member club when I'm home. That would be nice. Of course, guys, if you're here, if you want to join us and get early access to videos like Varies, then you can actually get access to those by strapping in and becoming a member as well to the YouTube channel. But if you don't want to pay, and I get that totally, you want to invest in CRO, not invest on YouTube, all you can do is just hit the like button. That really helps. Just hit the like button and it will really nicely help the channel. Anyways. So back to the question by VA Freak. Back to the question by V8 Freak. I would say, yeah, it depends. It depends. I think there are many opportunities on day one of zkEVM. So I personally split it myself. So I put out 200,000 on zkCRO and about 350 on the arena. So you could also say, hey, I do a percentage of 100k CRO on this and then a different percentage on something else as well. Exactly, Chicken Taco. Hit that like button. By the way, guys, if you follow multiple channels on Cronos, on the EVM side or just the crypto.com platform, you will see Chicken Taco everywhere. So big applause to this man. He's so active, really supporting CRO wherever he goes. Yeah, if you don't use DeFi, do the Arena. Various is giving the best financial advice here. Giving the best financial advice here. And guys, if you haven't done so yet, we still have a giveaway running. Guys. Don't forget to join that one. It's over here. If I can show it on the screen. Or is it? Ah, here we go. So we still have a giveaway running, guys, if you're still joining. It's ending in 90 minutes, so we'll pick the winner live on stream today. And I will post the link to the giveaway as well in the chat. So it's $50 of crop mop. We'll send it to anyone worldwide. I will pay the gas. It's not that expensive, but you can join us on the giveaway. It's still only 16 entries. I might have to refresh, but 18 entries now. 18 entries in 18 minutes. So be quick. Link is in the description. So join us if you want to. The real question is though, V8 Freak is asking, if we're going to risk staking, what would be better? You mean staking for a year or just generic staking? I think the airdrop arena will be the better option, personally, because I think the 6 months lockup is an issue, but not that big of an issue. I don't see Cronos going up that fast in this bull cycle. Because of what we talked about in the beginning of this stream. I don't see Bitcoin, I don't see the crypto market, you know, outperforming what the other bull markets have happened. So I don't expect us to really climb that fast. Hey, VDG. Refresh is 18 now, I also entered. Beautiful. Beautiful, VDG. Yeah. Anyways, what were we talking about before I crashed? Not only the price is crashing, also YouTube is crashing today. Oh yeah. I was talking about, I think this part over here. It's interesting. It's really interesting here. Because to me, guys, this is a buy zone, as I mentioned earlier. This earlier graph doesn't seem to play out really over here. And we're down below my important line over here. But over here you still see, I still think this might be a W pattern. This might still be a W pattern. We had a beautiful jump right now. And guys, don't forget, this channel or this live stream is called the Weekly Close. Because these weekly candles will exactly tell us in a few months, well, what is going to happen? What are the longer term trends? What are the longer term trends? Anyways, let's go to Twitter. Let's go to crypto Twitter. Because over there, guys, I've seen a beautiful explanation about zkCRO and what it matters for the Cronos ecosystem. And let me know if you have any questions about zkCRO or zkEVM. Because we also had a live stream with Ken, or live space. And I will show it. I think it's still visible if you go to 21 million. 21 million is, I think, one of the bigger personalities on Cronos chain. And over here, there is this 21 space 21 AMA with Cam Tinsit from the Cronos chain team. And it was really insightful. It was really insightful in my opinion. I also asked my own question over there. I personally was really curious about zkCRO. Why come up with a new coin? Why create zkCRO? It's confusing. It is really confusing. There are so many options right now for CRO. We have got Cronos on Ethereum. We got Cronos on the Cronos POS chain. We got Cronos on Cronos EVM. Now we got Liquid CRO. We got Wrapped CRO. There are so many options of Cronos. It's crazy. And you can also just simply use ETH. You could simply use ETH. But on this AMA, Ken did actually answer that he wanted to bring more utility. He wanted to bring more utility to the CRO fam. More reasons for people to buy CRO. And I find that a decent reason. Especially because on Cronos EVM, on zk EVM, sorry, the dApps can actually choose to use their own gas token, or not choose their own gas token. Let's say, guys, that you are an app developer and you make a Coin Baron token. Well, for every Coin Baron token that you're wanting to buy, I have to pay a fee. I have to pay a fee to the chain because I'm using their infrastructure. But I can choose to pay that fee myself as the developer or as the founder. So you, the user, would not notice anything about me spending zkCRO on the chain. You would just be spending Coin Baron token. I won't create a Coin Baron token, by the way, but just as an example. Let's go to Ken, because I did a beautiful explainer over here. What zkCRO really is. What is zkCRO really? So zkCRO is the native gas token of zkEVM. So what I mentioned, developers on the chain, they will do their own spending on the zkCRO token. But also if you're a user, really, if you're a user of zkCRO, you will generate yield. You will generate yield. And I will need to do an explainer as well on what liquid CRO is, what Vino Finance does. But basically you will get staking rewards built into the token. Native yield. Kashif as well, Bashir, welcome to joining the channel as well. Good to see you guys. Welcome. Anyway, so zkCRO will be so there will be yield generating, and it will be the gas token, and it will be backed by liquid CRO, and liquid CRO is backed by CRO on the POS chain. Anyways, he has more information. He's also explaining it over here. So what I mentioned, zkCRO is backed by LCRO, and LCRO is backed by CRO. So that's kind of the layer cake that we do have over here. Moreover, so if you want to get CRO and you want to get zkCRO, you'll have to use the zkEVM bridge. You'll have to use a bridge. So you will convert your CRO into zkCRO. But if you want to go back, if you want to get zkCRO converted back into CRO, you have multiple options. The cheapest one is converting it back using the bridge. So it will be going from zkCRO, bridging back to CRO, back to LCRO, and then from LCRO into CRO. And probably they will make a whole front end about it, so you don't have to do it yourself. But mainly in the early days, you'll have to go to Vino and then convert it back to CRO. It's quite a chain. It's really quite a chain, and I think they need to simplify it. But this is kind of how the backend works. This is really how the backend works. Important to note though, guys, what you see over here, it will cost you about 24 hours to go from zkCRO to LCRO. And to go back then from LCRO to CRO, it will take you another 28 to 32 days. A lot of days, guys. Crazy. Ooh, okay, Night Raven joined the giveaway. Just in time. Let me refresh. How many people? How many people are on? 21 entries. 21. 10 minutes left, guys. We will do the reveal in about 10 minutes. So get your entries in. All you gotta do is head over to my YouTube and head over to my Twitter, and you will get basic entries. So I hope you're lucky, Mr. Night Raven. I hope you're lucky, VDG. I saw Vitor enter as well. You do need, by the way, actually, I think you need a DeFi wallet. And if you don't have one yet, I will help to create one. But you will need one so I can send the money over. That will actually be a very good learning experience if you don't have used the DeFi wallet before. But I won't do giveaways with anyone just to learn how to use DeFi. Do you guys have DeFi wallets? Let me know in the comments down below. I will quickly create a poll. Have DeFi wallet? Yes, no. So DeFi wallet, guys, is this decentralized wallet. So let me know, please, in the chat if you use the DeFi wallet. Yes or no? Right now it's 100% yes. Oh, yo, welcome. Welcome, good sir. I want to give a quick shout out, guys, to Jojo as well, because he's a Strap Club member. So there we go. Mr. Welcome, Jojo strapped in. Good to see you, man. CRO is on sale. It's a fire sale, but I've got something, Jojo. I've got something to stop the bleeding. So if you haven't done so, please, guys, you can still join the $50 crop giveaway. Crop mob, my favorite meme token. Guys, you get crop everywhere. If you do anything on the crypto.com centralized app, you will get crop. If you do Supercharger, if you will do the airdrop arena, I've got so much crop mob. I actually opened my portfolio, so I've got this portfolio in the app, and it's showing this pie chart, and it's like 90% CRO, and then a certain percent ETH, and a certain percent Bitcoin, and then I had this quite nice piece of crop mob. I was like, what the fudge am I doing with this? But the more CRO you stake, the more crop mob, and the more DIP, and the more VVS, and the more Doge, or no, not Doge, you will get Core KI. Yes, Jojo is strapped in. Let's go back though to the charts. Let's go back to the charts. Or is it? Oh no, I want to quickly finish this, guys, with zkEVM. I want to quickly finish this with zkEVM. So more explainers and tutorials will follow. So simply, guys, follow Ken Timms if you want to follow along what's happening. I would say CryptoX is really active. So if you are not on there, yeah, it's definitely one of the better resources to do your own research. And then if you're there, guys, don't forget to follow me as well at the Coin Baron. Really easy. I try to retweet a lot of valuable resources. For example, I want to highlight. Can I highlight this? I don't know. Let's go to my bookmarks. I think I bookmarked it. So I do have a few things that are really interesting. I think that AI Bird is reposting a lot of good stuff. And also Elder Karl. Elder Karl did a really good, I would say, live space. This one over here. Talking about zkEVM from a founder's perspective. So I'm quite knowledgeable, I would say, about zkEVM and the back end of it, you know. But I'm not a token or project founder. So zkEVM is mainly an hassle for project founders. So Elder Karl, if you don't know, he's the founder of the Push platform, Push.fun. So he has got some good insights as well from his point of view. So I really love to include that as well. 7 more minutes, guys, for the giveaway. Let's go back once more to the charts. And then let's take a look what's happening over here. So yes, CRO is bleeding. CRO is bleeding over here. So Joyce over here is mentioning regarding the poll. So I do have it, the DeFi wallet, but not sure how to use it. Okay. I might make a tutorial. Also, if you have been using, let me go one time back to Cronos, the official Cronos Twitter page over here. So they do have an how-to as well on Revolut. So I don't know if you guys are using Revolut. It's really big in Europe. Revolut is like a Web 2/Web 3 bank. Neobank, they call it. They call themselves. And they do like an how-to on how to use DeFi, how to buy CRO on chain and stuff. Or is it? I can't find it anymore. Oh, this one is it. Here. A crypto learn campaign by Cronos and Revolut. So really big, that one. Really big. How is it doing, the poll? Everyone is saying yes. Wow. Everyone in here is using freaking DeFi wallets. That's cool. That's cool. Having said that, guys, if you probably, I know most of you don't use it daily. Probably most of you don't use it daily. Nothing bad with that, you know. This would be a nice win, yes. Yes, Joyce, for sure. Okay, where are we? Where did we go? Let's go back once more to the charts. So what do I expect today? Today we will be closing probably at around 8 cents. Maybe 7.9. We have seen the big pains already. America is awake. They have seen the pain. Right now, the Aussies are probably sleeping, so they won't notice what's happening with the charts. What is happening over here? What's happening with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin really going to dump back to the 50-week simple moving average? That is a possibility. I would say that's a possibility. The 50-week simple moving average, guys, has always been big support or resistance. And this 50-week simple moving average is going to slowly rise. It's going to slowly rise over here. Like this. And it wouldn't really surprise me, as it's not rising that quickly, but it's rising pretty quickly though. Maybe in a few days, it might do something like this over here, and we'll have a touch. And that touch, guys, will be really, I would say, the start of the bull. That will be the start of the bull. Or that will be a big failure, and then we would have a really strange bull market this time around. Then we would have had a really strange bull market this time around. So, William over here, welcome to the channel, man. It seems like they are going to launch zkEVM next week, and everything is just dropping out from underneath us. It seems like a fire sale time to get in with no much downside on CRO. Ooh. I don't know. I think I saw Ken actually mentioning it will not be next week, but it will be the week after. It will most probably be the week after. And I think it's also better timing for the market. I wouldn't like to launch like a big news event during these big drops. But I don't know what you think about it, William. I'm always a bit cautious with these things. Always a bit cautious. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. It is a fire sale. It's definitely a fire sale. And it can't go much slower, right? It can't go much slower. Well, as we've seen on the chart for CRO US dollar, it is setting that double bottom. It is setting that double bottom. And I bought, guys, I bought over here. Bad boy. Bad boy. But it is setting a nice double bottom. That's a good sign. I'm waiting for this W pattern. I think the W pattern will be a nice bounce. Going up towards 11 cents, maybe 12. That will be bullish. That will be bullish. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes for the giveaway. So join in while you still can. We currently have about, what is it? 23 entries. Okay. Looking more like it. $50 of crop mob. Last chance, guys. You got 53 seconds left. 52, 51. Proper countdown, probably. It's the final countdown as well. If you guys were there, unfortunately I closed it too early for some reason. But right now we should be doing the live giveaway over here. Where are my sound effects? I need to do this big reveal thing. I actually don't know what kind of winner pick system they do have over here. I hope something cool. Last chance, guys, to get in. Last chance. QR code is over here. And while you're watching, ladies and gentlemen, I will probably do some more giveaways in the future. So do give me a like if you like that. And also, of course, subscribe for more on that front. Right now, so much CRO staked on validators. Oh. Competition has ended. Ladies and gentlemen, let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner right now. There is a lot of CRO stake, though. Let's pick a winner live on stream. I have not done this before. So let's go over here. Let's draw a winner. Okay. One winner, guys. Good luck. Good luck to all of you. Michael Simpson. Shoot, I shouldn't have not showed that. I'm sorry. Michael Simpson, are you live watching right now? I'm so sorry. I will... shouldn't have done that live on stream. I'm so sorry. I will try to remove it from the VOD, so don't you worry. Anyways, guys. Michael Simpson, are you live watching right now? You are. Apologies, Night Raven. Let me know on X or let me know in a DM what your wallet address is, and I will send you 50 euros or dollars of Crop Mob. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, Night Raven, the big winner of tonight. The big winner of tonight. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. Really cool stuff there. I'm glad I see people win that are coming in as well. No problem, Night Raven. Congratulations, $50 of Crop Mob. What are you, if I may ask, Crop Mob. Not Crop Mob. Night Raven, what are you going to do with the Crop Mob? Are you going to hold? Are you going to convert? It's your choice, man, but just curious. Ah, VDG, no luck. Ah, well. At least your congratulations, Night Raven, over here. GG. Also, congrats over here by Varys. You guys are so gentle. Really cool. Really cool. Anyways, Night Raven, thank you for being here. Thanks for the support. I think you deserve it, man. Okay. Okay. GGG. Let's take a quick look, guys, at the final news of today. Because I want to make sure that what Ken was saying... Ken, over here. He was actually posting some replies. He was posting some replies. And he's even talking about the crypto market right now. I didn't know he was like a crypto expert as well. It will be interesting to see if crypto sell off ahead of stock markets reopening. It's a leading indicator of stock market trajectories on Mondays. I was actually talking about this earlier. So often crypto is open on the weekends. So Ken is he's in the know. He's in the know. Crochet, by the way. Ah, here he is. Here it is. So Ken did answer. So Tex asked the question, will the launch be next week? But Ken did mention more probably the week after next. Interesting. It's going to be interesting. Ah, okay. So Night Raven, guys, he won the $50 of Crop Mob. Doesn't hold any crop, so we'll just hold it and see where it leads. I mean, who knows? Who knows? It's a CDC launched coin, basically. They might do some marketing. Who knows? It does need a community, though. It does need a community, but I'm quite a back holder myself. I'm quite a back holder myself. It's coming from the personal Coin Baron funds. Coin Baron treasury. Ay. Okay. By the way, guys, if you haven't done so yet and you're active in like groups. Oh, wrong one. We do have like a special CrowFam Connect group as well. And if you want to join on Twitter, it's I think open for anyone to join. There is a lot of spamming sometimes, but I think also rise some good conversation about Bitcoin, about dropping, about the price. If you guys want to join, let me know. I can add you guys as well. It's a closed group, so you can't just join. But it's not like a gated community. Moreover, though, I am curious what it will do. If it will reach 100 million Cronos for this one. Question over here by William. Did you see how low the moon went? How low did it went? I did see it almost had no transactions. So no one is trading the moon. What's the current price, William? What's the market cap? So my account is private. Does it need to be public to join? I have no clue. I don't think so. So Private means you need to be approved to follow or something like that. I have no clue. If you want to, you can send me a DM, I guess, and then we can just try. The moon was the other VVS token. It had some. I still remember, guys. I owned some the moon when it just launched. I tried in all the IMOs by VVS, and I made quite some good money. I mean, I made like 50%. It's quite good, I would say. Still, 50% gains, nothing too shabby. But you need to sell, and no one should sell shit. Man, I keep dropping over my own tongue. Nobody should sell shame. No one. Especially in these volatile markets, guys. I mean, it's... You have to make your own choices on that one. You have to make your own choices. So currently, the moon is sitting on 3.7 million liquidity and 3.5 million market cap. Oh, no. It's probably locked liquidity as well. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So having said that, guys, liquidity is the most important metric. Most important metric on DeFi. Without liquidity, there are no trades, but no one is trading anyways. No one is trading anyways. Cool though. I want to quickly show you this, guys. So currently I am in the top tier 1. So if you want to be in top tier 1 as well, you need to deposit at least about 17,000 CRO on zkEVM. What is 17,000 CRO right now? It's about $2,000? No, less even, right? Less. About $1,300? Okay, no, that's not too much, is it? Oh, you can't set medium. Hey man, I will send you. I will make sure to try to add you, man. I will do that after the stream. So it will not be too expensive, guys, to join the tier 1. It is, of course, depending on where you live, quite expensive. But I know a lot of people that were able to join tier 1 with some spare CRO. And right now it's locked, but this will quickly unlock, guys, and convert to zkCRO. And you will also get some points because they will do the Points Pioneer program or something called like that. So why should I deposit? It's called the Pioneer program. And you will earn quite some, well, some extra points. And the points can be converted to zkCRO or other coins on the zkEVM chain. Like I think, for example, the H2 token. H2 will be a DEX on zkEVM. In general, though, guys, in general, I think that zkEVM is going to be a catalyst. It will be something positive for once. It's going to be, I think, on par with what we have been doing on the main chain with the new partnerships with Revolut. It will be really bringing in some new lifeblood. It's unruggable, yeah. I mean, guys, if you don't know, if you lock up your liquidity, so you burn the key, basically, you burn the key to your liquidity, no one can touch liquidity anymore. So you can't take it away, and it will be there forever. It will be there forever. So it's more like a safe feeling. So people can't just rug your token. No one can just rock your token. Ay. Anyways, I think, guys, we'll hit the 100 mil. I think we'll hit the 100 mil. Probably next week. Oh, yes, and use 0.1144. Thanks, Barry. So if you guys want to deposit, you can use my code 0.1144. This one over here. I don't have sufficient balance. Oh, man, I'm poor. I'm Cronos poor. What if I would... Yeah, I do have 100 CRO. If we would use my 1144 code, then it'll help support the channel. And then maybe in the future I will have 1000 CRO. maybe. Thanks, varies. Anyways, guys, it's 10 o'clock. A bit of a scuff stream today because of the technical issues, but I hope you learned a lot today about zkAVM, about the market, because we're still dropping, and right now, guys, we're even going down. We're down below 8 cents again, so quite some price movement still. Quite some price movement. But we'll be back next week without the technical issues, with hopefully better price movement. And also, I will be looking more at the chat as well. So thanks, guys. Thanks again, Varys, for being here today, being one of the channel members. The same for Jojo. Also, William, thank you so much for being here today. I learned a lot more about the moon. And of course, also congratulations to Mr. Night Raven. I will send you DM for the $50 crop mob giveaway. And thanks, guys, again for participating. Thanks for all the likes. Thanks for all the views today. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and as well, VDG. Sorry, VDG. Chicken Taco. You're the best. Bye-bye-bye.